First, you're gonna finely chop your crab meat like so. And we're using imitation crab meat. So make sure it's finely chopped. And once it's finely diced and chopped into small tiny bits, we're gonna add our cream cheese. We're gonna use warm temperature cream cheese. You can use any type of cream cheese. I just bought this. Then we're gonna add it into the bowl with the crab meat. Okay, and the minute we add the cream cheese, we're gonna add black pepper, some paprika, some salt, your choice if you want to add algae or not, sesame oil, about that much, a little bit of that. Okay, so when you're done mixing it together, it should look like that. Okay, so the wrap we're gonna use is these small wraps or whatever you call them. You can find them at Payless or whatnot. We're gonna be using these to make the Rangoon. Okay, so you're gonna get water, wash things in water, and then we're gonna seal the corners of you're gonna do the same process over and over with everything else. So what I did was I just brought all of the corners to the top and then didn't seal it so everything was together like so. So you continue doing that. So that's what I meant. You just use your fingers and you wet the corners of each and every one. And then you're gonna bring this top and these top together and that top together. But don't forget to add your filling, okay? Okay. When you're done, it should look like this, and now we're gonna fry it in oil. Okay, on medium heat, we're gonna make our oil hot, and then we're gonna fry them till they're golden brown. Now we're gonna add the won. We're gonna add it in, and we're gonna let them cook for a minute until they're golden brown. Then you turn it to the other side, and we're gonna make the top golden brown as well. Then you let it drain on the paper towel like so. Okay. And it should look like that. Yum.